everyone, I am excited to have the opportunity to speak with you today about our flagship services. piRobot AI as a service is designed to automate and optimize overall work processes by harnessing the power of advanced edge computing technologies, combining AI vision and robotics. piRobot utilizes cutting-edge AI computer vision and edge computing to guide robots in complex tasks such as piece picking, machine tending, and assembly. With its AI deep learning model and 3D depth camera, piRobot can precisely identify X, Y, and Z coordinates, allowing to adapt seamlessly to changes in object positioning. The state-of-the-art system integrates ultra-precision edge devices with advanced identification technology, all overseen by a cloud-based AI as a service that enhances robot operations, ultimately boosting efficiency and reducing costs. piRobot's application extend beyond logistics, significantly improving productivity across manufacturing and distribution sectors by reducing labor and time requirements. Our edge devices are equipped with AI to identify and analyze product images under various conditions. Unlike traditional logistics systems that require frequent updates or process changes, piRobot adapts effortlessly to handle different product shapes and colors without needing program adjustments. It also uses advanced algorithms to optimize movement paths in real time. To sum up, our solutions provide convenience to users by saving manpower and time. We are committed to making your dreams come true. Thank you very much.